Skunkers, you know the vibe. When you want to see my father, I saw you don't know. So we actually have a GLE 53 at Panda that we're going to be doing some calipers for. So you don't know. There you know.
Nick,
that is it, man. So you know it go already. Okay. Yeah. Big up, blessings. Well, go on now.
Yeah, man.
Come mix this to me. And don't play around because you want to sleep. And you have too much food today, man. Eh? So you know brownie I go. I'll deal with the colour for you right now. And let me tell you. I want maybe like for the calipers. I want half pint, well, what's a pint or half pint glass black as well. Glass black. Piano black. So skunk lifestyle since we're there, let's take a quick walk around of Automotive Art. Take a look at what them have. I don't know. Brand ambassador as always. Show no what go on. If you guys didn't get a chance to pass through down here, at least you can take a look through the vlog. Let's see what go on. A wide variety of wiper blades right here. I think this is for like some LED bulbs as well. And the car mats over here. I normally fall to the Old Hope Road location. However, there is Hagley Park as well and Portmore. So if you guys aren't, and there's one in Montego Bay. So if you guys aren't close to this one, you can check out the other ones on Hagley Park and Portmore as well. Oh, it's like a caddy to put your stuff in. Nice. Good cat. I think this is an air horn. And as we come around this side, Renix washer fluid. I have Renix bug remover here. And all of these products, brake fluids, carb cleaner, all of them something. Mad. So like fuel treatment or diesel cleaner. Fuel treatment, fuel system cleaner from Cyclo. There's our what do you call them something again? Coolant. Antifreeze coolant for Asian vehicles. So now I'll go on. So I walk around since it's taking some time to mix the things for us. Where's the man? You good?
Yeah.
Man, respect man. Sure now I'll go on, you know. Oh, and remember, Skunkers, this is their car care line as well, the Axiom car care line. So their wash and wax, the graphene car wash, which gives you the nano effect, like you see the beading, and the wash and wax will give you a similar effect as well. Surface prep, so pretty much I guess when you're cleaning the surface, you want to add something, you can use this to prep the surface. Graphene spray coating. Graphene, quick detailer here. But this product, this one is really cool. It's a nice final touch. You wash your car, let the car dry, then dry the car and then spray this on. Super gloss. And we have some wipes here as well for the dashboard. So this is a clean, and I think these are for what's the difference? Let me see. Cleaning leather wet wipes, and this is cleaning wet wipes. I guess it's for the different materials. Yeah, so that's how we, but this side now, some of the paint products, they actually have batteries too, and tires. So, don't know Automotive Art, but some plastic adhesion promoter right here. So I think they have like primers and different colors and undercoatings right here. So you see, whole bunch of detailing products here as well, and painting products over here. These are paint products we have here. Ultra high solid clear. Got the hardener right here. Universal hardener here as well. The Automotive Art brand, the Toucan brand. So yeah, just waiting on. Over here has a two-side tape. The Gorilla tape over this side. Buffing pads here. So yeah, just waiting to get the color now, and then we'll go pull through. But you don't know, daily vlog skunk class style, so just pretty much waiting on that color. Oh look, sandpaper here so too. So if you need sandpaper, oh, and over this section, a tool section over here. So. Yeah, well going. Everything good? Yeah. Some more tools over here. Yeah, so mad.
So I'm gonna look at that for now. Right,
Can you look a lighter? What do you think? Let me see. Turn.
I'm gonna say one go a little bit darker.
This one look a little bit. Let me see it in the pan. Yeah. There you go, the tone a little bit. Yeah, get it too accurate, you know, not half a bit too accurate browning. You know what I'm saying, browning, man? Chill. Deal with it, man. It's not too accurate. That's what you don't know over here, so you know, I want it accurate, eh? Too accurate. That is it, man. Who said that? Don't tell a lie about me, you know. Big up, man. Love the automotive art team, you know. So get some clear as well. Browning just mix up the black. Well, just mix up the orange. I want to get some black, so you don't know. Showing the final product. Alright, skunk class style. See what's going on. So this was the vehicle that we actually went and got the colors for the caliper and the wheels. So as you can see, you don't know, the Nardo vibe on it with the orange calipers. Get a nice little vibe, you get me? Match up back with here with the calipers done in the nice bright orange, done at Automotive Art with the glass back wheels. That is it. So just waiting on the customer to come for it right now. So yeah, man, nice vibe. That is it.
I know my vehicle.
Eh? Then I offer vehicle.
I want to sell it, I buy it.
That one you're selling now, you want it for buy? Eh? Come down here, man. Come down here, man. Forward in that video, man.
What? So what are you when we ask about the key now, so the key can't pull everything now?
No. So we get rid of the key. Forward down here, sir.
No, come on, we have a flat man, the fake key.
No. You're gonna just use regular lugs on it now.
A regular look,
Yeah.
so we have to buy back a set.
No, you just need back few of them.
The lock.
Yes.
All right.
Not the lock, just few of the regular. When you go Stewart's tomorrow, just get them.
All right.
So it's about a machine now, man. Me not hear you now.
Where is it? Ah, that's what?
What do you mean? No, I know that's a father, so come look down here, so man.
Black rims.
Yeah.
And then you put the color upon that. Just use a color.
Yeah, I mean I tell you.
No, man. No, let me alone of this in Jamaica.
You alone have them color combination, you know. That is it. The headlight, them tails and thing, yeah. Yeah. Who boss you like here, you know?
Ooh, and you fix all this with me, though?
Yeah, everything.
Love it!
Okay,
Holy
that is it. That's what I want here, eh?
Yo, this is it.
Yeah, I like that.
This is it. This is what I want, yes.
That is it, man. That is what I like.
Yo, I'm alone of this in the
Are you alone of this? Oh, yeah, who alone of this? Are you alone of this right now?
Only the BMW, the BMW in this color like this.
Yeah.
No JD. But you guys say what do one for a guy in a mobile?
Yeah.
Wanna split him up like this?
No, this is different. You alone have the orange and grey. Yeah, man, skunkers. Well, that's what I like. When people forward for them car and have a nice little vibe.
Home, speechless.
And you know, you kind of munch with the car in a car.
Well, I'm a big guy, of course. Yeah, I'm a big guy.
So you're out and bad.
My girl's in trouble. My girlfriend is in trouble right now.
Yo, that's how you had our problem. Yeah, your problem.
In trouble, yo. Yo, dog. I just like we don't have the daylight.
Yeah.
Can you imagine just this tomorrow the daylight, man?
Yeah, I want you to just give me tomorrow you shout me and tell me how you feel about it.
Maybe they can tell you can see the inspection that you know that me have right now. Good job, well done.
Yeah,
I'm very
man.
pleased, very proud.
Yeah, man.
I think you go the extreme for me.
Always.
And you deserve every penny.
That is it. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Man things skunkers. Skunkers style. Hold on. Alright, so we're just pulling up the pile now. We're actually in this 420 Grand Coupe. We're going to be installing a dome pipe on it, and also customer brought in a muffler, well, a pan for the back with the valves and stuff. So we're going to take a look on it. I'm going to show Paul, and then I guess he'll tell me what he thinks about it. So yeah, you don't know the vibe. Let's hop on out of this machine right now. Let's see what it sounds. Let's see what it looks and sounds like. We'll finish installing it and stuff. So yeah, skunk lifestyle, you know the vibe. So this is it. Hey Paul. So they came with the tips. Nice. Also the drum right here, and I think it has a valve on it, so when you put it in sport mode, well, this valve might actually come with its own remote system, I think. Yeah, so come in own box and stuff. So I'm gonna take a little time to install, so I'm gonna actually go on the road to do some other stuff while I leave this here, and then I'll give you guys an update on it after. Time.
Yeah man, blessings Nick,
On
blessings.
it again. So see what I'm show you.
Right,
Yeah.
so this is a setup, okay. Hold on, this is valve muffler.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Right, so
So this is a drum, right?
yeah man, so this is right, this is
Yeah,
this is a valve. So what happens is that when you're in quiet mode,
Yeah,
it goes to a certain place.
yeah.
When you want the noise, it run like straight pipe.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
this is really what we want to start to introduce to the guys
Okay.
this year, you know what I mean? This is
Yeah.
a nice setup.
Have the tips there.
Carbon fiber tips.
Yeah. And the dome pipe is
and then the
inside.
dome pipe.
Yeah.
Pull it.
No, in the front. Yeah. Have a dome pipe right there.
This should be the right one, but if not,
Yeah, if that one.
yeah, we'll just modify it and get it
Yeah,
sorted.
it should be good still.
Should be good. All
So
right.
here, I'm going to
All right,
leave.
no worries.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
going to
man.
leave, and
Blessings,
then
man. Yeah,
you
give
call me
me a
and let me
couple
know.
hours, and then when we're done, we get the after.
That is it.
All right.
Yo, skunk lifestyle. So we're just picking up the car right now. Today's been a long day. Let me get the wife. Oh, pause of that. Not a long day. Skunk lifestyle. Mad, so mad. Just putting on the exhaust right now, and let me tell you, just doing the day in the life a little bit different. Paul, I saw them for stick out.
Come on.
Okay.
Let him get the sound. Hurry. Put it back in park there. Let's get the difference with the open and close.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
That's the electrician. So we have to keep talk to the master electrician.
What you say now? How you wire it now?
Eh?
It have to use the button?
Yeah man, you have to use the button for
Okay.
open and close.
Okay, it's one of those. Same, similar.
Eh?
Oh, I hear it now, yeah. Okay, alright, cool. Yeah, man, respect. So that's pretty much it. Just picking up at this machine right now, and then so I head back to the shop. Have some other work there to be get done. Today has just been a crazy day, let me tell you. Just trying to work along, and place looking good. Sooner or later Paul will be finished with here, and you don't know, you can pass through and see what's going on. Well, this car belongs to one of my pretty much my brethren's son, and it's a nice little machine and thing. His first car, 19-year-old, so you know that go. I'm lucky as a 19-year-old. Enough 19-year-old never get no bimmer, never get no car, so you have to give thanks to that. for them blessing and privilege. So the other day I see him, I said to him, say, yo, listen boss man, make sure when you're up on the road, you know, bad that drive hard and go crash and go kill off yourself, because peeps, we really need to take that into consideration. Yes, these are machines and you guys will see me pressing on the road, however, just a one punch and I'm done. It's not no whole lot thing and like me I try to prove nothing to nobody and all of that type of stuff. So peeps and skunkers, if you have friends, family, uncle, brother, cousin, tell them to take them time on the road. You get me? So car is coming off now. I'm car back to pan now, have them clean it up so they can come pick it up tomorrow. And yeah, nice vibes. Nice 420. As a 19-year-old of this, I like the package on it as well. It has the M Sport package on it.
So so much traffic, Nick, or we could have squeezed and hear the difference, but probably
Right.
another time.
No, my good mommy.
Another time. Or you can probably have somebody do a little thing and just continue.
Yeah.
So the persons
So you
can
add
hear
the
the
down,
difference.
you add the down pipe on.
Right, so we basically have a downpipe on it and we have the muffler delete.
Yeah.
But I don't remember if you had gotten pictures of the muffler before, but that's the open and close valve muffler.
Yeah, I
so
can show them
probably,
still.
yeah, I don't know if you can get a, can you get a,
No, it's good. I can always just. So I actually change the diffuser on it to really start to see from here. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's good, man. So yeah. Alright, so you don't know. Go to the shop right now. Blessings. Go to the shop right now, and then I'll give you guys a couple little sound clips from inside the car. And then I'll just close out today's vlog. Big up on yourself. Master electrician.
yes man, how are they?
Yeah, that is it. And good work as always, Paul. Yeah, man.
Alright,
Well, this is for the valve.
Yeah.
The key is inside?
Yeah man, the key should be in the center.
Okay. Alright. Respect,
Get the
skunkers.
clips away.
Yeah. Here's a little sound clip now. Not gonna really hear much of a difference because we didn't even delete the resonators or anything like that, but it's definitely more round than how it was sounding before. I'll try to find a road to let you guys hear it. You don't know, that's like a little POV of the drive up to Panda. Like I tell you, today was just one of those days where I have a lot dealing with. So find around and make an air while going. Yeah. Get a little sound clip for y'all. This road right now. Hear the difference. So I'll lock the valve so you guys can actually hear it without the valve open. I'll close the valve now. Quiet now. Nah, hear nothing. Hey, Jamaican road them not nice, you know? Yeah, man. Jamaican road them not nice at all. I'll press it on this road so y'all can hear it without the exhaust open. Quiet. Alright. Let's open it again. I'm just really doing this for demonstration, you know. Nice. So skunk lifestyle, I'm gonna edit the vlog quick and fast so I can get something to watch today, Wednesday. I'll just give you a quick sound clip again. That is with the valve open, and this is the valve closed. That is it. Big up on yourself. See y'all tomorrow.